Before we begin today's video, I have an important announcement to make. Me and my team have curated 50 plus best SOPs to study at top universities in US, UK, Canada, Ireland, New Zealand, Australia, and more. All you have to do is go to the pinned comments or the description box for the link to download them, and it's totally free of cost. So go check it out. Now let's begin today's video. MOI or Medium of Instruction Certificate. One term we have heard of quite often. In simple terms, it is a certificate that is issued by your university where you pursued your degree that allows you to get an IELTS waiver at a university abroad. But do you know how to get one? Hey guys, my name is Saket, and in today's video, let us understand how to secure a Medium of Instruction certificate from your university. But before we start, let me quickly tell you what exactly is MOI. So it is a certificate which states that you have completed XYZ program with your average score and your year of graduation, in addition to certifying that the degree's medium of instruction was in English. Many universities abroad, including in the UK and Australia, accept this certificate to get you an IELTS waiver. Now let us discuss how you can get one. First way is offline. Many Indian universities still follow the old method of filling up a physical form and attaching relevant proofs to get an MOI. Largely saying government and old universities still follow this procedure. Offline will take a bit long to process, so it is always advisable that you take a buffer of 1 to 1.5 months from filling the form, getting all documents in order, getting necessary attestations, submitting, and subsequently getting the certificate. But how to start? Let me explain step by step. Step 1. So you visit the Controller of Examinations or Form section of the university you studied at. Just like few samples you can see on your screens right now. This form section is of Punjab University, this one is of Delhi University, and this one is of Bangalore University. You can find these web pages of almost every university who follow an offline process. In case you don't find one online, these forms will also be available at the registrar's office at your university campus. Step 2. You will have to print these forms, fill relevant information such as your personal details, program pursued, year of graduation, marks, etc. Some universities may also ask for a letter from your head of department stating that your degree was taught in English before they issue the MOI. In that case, you can email or write an application to your HOD to give you a letter stating the same. Also, you need to submit all the self-attested copies of mark sheets and certificates. For instance, here are a few sample forms on your screen right now. This is how the form looks like for University of Madras, this one for Delhi University, and this one for Pondicherry University. You can find these forms easily. Step 3. You will need to pay an application fee, which is usually 300 to 500 rupee, along with the form to registrar or Controller of Examination office. Do note that most of these universities will accept demand drafts only, so do get one beforehand. Also check on whose name the demand draft has to be drawn. That is usually mentioned on the form. Once you submit the form along with the self-attested documents and the fee, the university will issue MOI in 15 to 20 days, which in most cases you will have to collect from the university office only. Before we proceed further, here are a few universities that process MOIs offline. Second way is online, and that is much easier. But before I discuss that, did you know that you can connect with us on Telegram and get all study abroad updates right on your phone? I'm dropping the link below, do check it out. So the online option is usually available at newer and modern universities, like some of the options flashing on your screen right now. Some universities may ask you to download the forms, fill them, attach digital copies, and submit an application fee online and send these to an email address. But these are rare. Some may have dedicated online portals to apply, but these will be comparatively easier and can be done sitting at home. For instance, Anna University will offer the whole process through their dedicated portal. You can go on this web page, head to Click Here tab, which opens a new web page where you can click on the Login tab. This will open a new page where you can register and apply for MOI through their Student Online Services or SOS portal. Symbiosis has a similar portal which looks like this. Similarly, Goa University, Osmania University, Amity University, and SRM University have such portals. If you want to know how you can get MOI from your university, type how to get MOI from your university name and post it in the comments. We will try and answer each one of you. Not just the UK and Australia, many institutions in Canada, US, New Zealand, Ireland, and Europe will also accept medium of instruction certificate from case-to-case basis. I will advise you to check this with the institution you wish to study at, whether they accept MOI certificate or not. Hope you found this video super helpful, and for more such informative content, like this video, subscribe to the channel and keep watching Leap Scholar.